Hello guys, we have just got Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus, the newest wireless earbud from Samsung. Let's open it straight away. Let's see what we've got inside. We have one seal here and one of seal is there. That's it, I think. Yeah. Okay, let's open it. Very compact and beautiful packaging. This is I think these are rubbers for ear and wire. Here it is, the beautiful tiny Galaxy Buds Plus for charging wire. Okay, sounds by AKG. Oh my god, these are so beautiful looking, very shiny, very beautiful and very durable looking. You can feel the premium quality when you hold it. Let's see what's inside. Okay, here's the wire. I believe we can charge it wirelessly as well. There is the wire. Here are the buds, extra buds for ears. You can take whatever fits in your ear. Okay, I'll surely use them from today. And I'm not sure whether in camera these are looking premium or not, but in reality these are looking very beautiful, a little bit weight as well. Okay, anyway, thank you guys. This was our Galaxy Buds Plus unboxing. Thank you.